Hey babes, what's up? It's Val here. Welcome to today's video. Today, as you can tell, we are doing 7 days of buns. So personally, my hair has been up in a bun a lot in this time frame. I know I did a quarantine hairstyles, but that's when I want my hair down. But my hair has been up a lot more, and I have been doing a whole lot more buns, and I saw some easier ways to do a bun. I saw some cool new ways to do buns on Pinterest, so I figured I would just show you guys how I've been doing my hair throughout this time frame again, but with a consistent theme of buns, like, you know, messy buns, sleek buns, that type of ish, you know? So if you're intrigued by any of these, keep on watching to see how to do them. Okay, so don't hate me, I'm going to have to look at the viewfinder for this because my mirror is over there. So I've already sectioned off my bang fringe area. Now we are going to braid basically this part into a bun. So take a section, do it in 3, then just braid. And for the Dutch braid part, we are taking 3 sections and we are adding hair, then going under the middle section instead of over. Now we're going to tie this side off just into a ponytail. They're gonna meet in the middle, but this is just to hold it in place. And as you can see too, I didn't braid to the very back because that's a good way to make sure you have enough hair for like a bun if you're going to do that. So now for this side, I'm not going to leave out anything. So just braid it. Okay, so now I'm going to take out this one from the ponytail. Okay, so now they're going to meet in the middle in a ponytail. So I'm just going to twist it around itself and put it in a hair elastic. And then I just play with it, make it all like messy. And then I just take out a few pieces at the front here just to make sure it's even on both sides. Yeah, this is basically boxer braids, but with a bun in the middle of it all, which I really like. It's a good look as well for the gym because it's away from your face, and this way it's a low bun so it's not in the way. Time now for the fan bun. So I start off by brushing my hair back, but then I use my fingers just so it's not as tight, but I do have like the sleekness of brushing my hair back. And then I just put my hair up in a ponytail, and for the loop bun, we're basically going to make a loop with our ends on the last time you do it through. So you want to put it on the mid shaft of your hair and then just play with it, figure it out, make it messy or not, totally up to you. I do this with a scrunchie a lot, but I did it with a normal hair elastic here just so you could see how to do it properly. And now time for the knot bun. So you can do this anywhere on your hair. I'm just doing a low bun since my ends are now getting to the length I can do a ponytail again, but because we are doing knots, I need some length. So to start off, ponytail, and then I'm loosening up the hair around the base of the ponytail just to give it a looser look. And then, as the name entails, we are doing knots, so take 2 sections and then just cross them over and make a knot. So you can do this as many times as your ends can do it. Mine can only do it once, but if you have longer hair, you can do it like probably 3 times, and you could probably even have it higher in the head, but just focus on what your hair can do. And then to tie it off, I then take an elastic. I sometimes take bobby pins, but today I just decide on an elastic. Alright, now for the braided bun. I like doing this one on any day, honestly. Right now, when I'm filming this, I'm gonna shower later today or tomorrow. I'm near the end of my 7-day, 6-day wash cycle, so. But I'm just taking my hair up in a bun right now again. So first we're just going to put it up in a ponytail. Okay, and I like bringing down a few of my baby hairs as always. Just kind of frames the face a little bit. So now with the ponytail part, we're going to braid it. Take your hair into 3 sections. One of the sections under, 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 under. And if you're wondering why I'm going under, not over, It's a whole lot easier in my opinion. There we go. So let's tie that off. Okay, so we're now going to take the braid and just twist it around the shape of a bun and just play with it, see what works. Like, to me, the front of this looks good. Maybe the back doesn't, but whatever. It's the back of the head. And now I'm just going to take some bobby pins and pin it. There we go. And if you want to know a hack for these guys in the back here, my hair is now long enough to put it up, which is great, but a few little pieces always come down. So I take them, twist them, and then I take a better looking clip and just clip it up so it looks more intentional. And to me, this is a great one to work out in because the hair is up and away, and also too, for me at least right now, it's pretty high up, so even if I'm doing like ab stuff, so I'm laying it down, it doesn't get in the way, which is amazing. Here is the braided bun. Okay, time for the ballerina bun. Now, fun fact, I actually used to dance and be a gymnast, so I hope I remember how to do this one like the normal way, but if I'm doing it incorrectly, I am sorry. I stopped dancing when I was young. So anyways, for this, bring your hair up. A lot of times I feel like you have to bring it up really high, but for me and my hair, I'm gonna bring it up to here. So we're gonna do it here, for me at least, but you should do it much higher. So again, start it off with a ponytail. And then the only thing I really remember from this is that we teased it so it'd have volume, and then we like smoothed it over and made it like a normal bun shape. So to tease the hair, you're gonna take a section at the very top, and then just take a brush and back comb. It'd be better if you had an actual teasing brush, but I don't even have one. But a rat tail comb would be better. I'm just doing with what I have at home though. So now that's teased, I'm just gonna smooth it over just a little bit. And then we're going to just like swoop it over, make the traditional bun shape, you know? And sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's harder, it really just depends. Okay, I'm gonna take an elastic, just one like that. And now I'm going to actually pin it down, and when you're pinning, just use the bumpy side, like have it on your scalp, because then the flat part is on the top part of the hair, whereas it's holding it in, where the bumpy side actually holds it all in place. There we go. I think this is actually really good compared to my old bun days as a dancer. Wow. And so I'm getting a little bit of fallout at the back since my hair is still like in the short realm. Almost done growing it out to where I want it to be. So I'm just gonna take it, smooth it, and clip it up with a fun clip again, just to make sure at least it looks nice if you are going to see a clip. So yeah, this is the ballerina bun, aka the most basic one, but also like the best in another way, because then we can do pirouettes and everything. And because of quarantine, I have been teaching myself dance again. And now time for the mini bun. So I take my hair from my recession lines, so where my hair naturally recedes back, that's where I like to take my mini buns. And so I comb it back and then add in a ponytail. And then after I do the ponytail, I then take the hair and twist it to form a bun. This is the quickest way to do a bun in my opinion, so that's why I am doing it. And as you can see too, twisting it and then doing it around itself just so it's secured in place, and the hair itself will hold it all together once it's all wounded up together. And then I just take an elastic to secure it down. I sometimes also use bobby pins because I do have layers and short-ish hair now. It has grown out quite a bit, but I'm trying to work with the length because I don't want to cut my own hair. But yeah, so I just figured out, mess it up, and there we go, my mini bun. Now time for the braided mini bun. So same size section from the recession lines, and then just going to divide this into 3 for a Dutch braid. So Dutch braids are when you go under instead of over. To me, it's just simpler than going over in this type of scenario because it is right on the scalp. So we're just adding hair, going it all the way down like the middle of the section, and I continued braiding to the entire ends because then with this we're going to pull it apart, and then this will be what the bun is made out of. It adds a nice texture to the bun, makes it totally different, but it's still a mini bun and gets the hair out of your face. So just twisting it around itself and then securing it down with a few bobby pins. And there we go, the braided mini bun. So those are my 7 days of buns hairstyles. If you do any of these looks, I would love to see it on you. So if you get inspired, do these, or even just a spin off of this, I would seriously love to see it. It'd be so nice to see it. So you can send me them on Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. All my social media links are in the description below, but my @ everywhere is Valerie K. Perkins. So you can check me out anywhere if you want to. I would love it if you did. Let's become friends, you know. We can chat all about hair. And if you have any questions, make sure to send me some down below in the comments. I will happily answer to you. And also too, if you have any like requests, let me know down below. I always happily take like, you know, whatever you guys want to learn. You can send me a photo online too if you have any type of intricate looks you want me to figure out for ya. That'd be dope. I would really love to do that. And if you want to see more of me, I do own a website where you can book with me for social media services and a blog on there as well. And if you want to physically see me, I do own a second channel where I vlog every now and then. I am getting a vlog ready, so stay tuned for that. There will be a link in the iCard above and at the end screen. All right, so that's it for the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you have watched this far. Truly, it means a lot to me. So if you have watched this far, consider giving this video a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. It also just helps YouTube decide if this is a good video or not. So if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down, but let me know why. I would love to just like, you know, learn from my mistakes and everything. So let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys here next Tuesday at noon with a new video. See you then. Peace.